Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Love the Makeup Artist and you can call me Lo. Today we are going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing haul. This is from OFRA Cosmetics, though this video is not sponsored as I purchased this product with my own money. So, that being said, let's begin. If you want more videos like this, please feel free to like the video and share it with some friends. That being said, I'm excited. I'm really excited to dive in here. I'm going to show you guys the products. Yeah. Anyways. So I already went through the products just to see if I had any duplicates whatsoever. And I do have some, but that is okay. And I'll tell you why as we unbox, okay? So the first product that I saw inside of the box is the loose powder. This one is the strawberry brightening, or like brightening strawberry, okay? I already have the oil control translucent, okay, the white guy. So we're gonna see how dark this one is in comparison, okay? I really wanted to see this when I was gonna purchase it, so I'm pretty happy that I didn't because we got it inside the mystery box. So as you can see, this one's quite pink. And it is going to be interesting to see how it looks on my pale skin. So there's already some in the cap. Take a little swatch. Put it next to my mushroom. Sorry, I got a scratch there. My rabbit gave me some heck earlier. So it is a little bit darker than my skin, but that should be okay. We'll see how it is on later when we decide to play with it. So that's how she looks. Okay, she pink. She powdery. And it's a translucent powder, so, or like setting powder, so what do you really expect, right? The next thing I saw inside of the box that got me really excited because I am almost out of my own lotion, like my regular day-to-day kind of lotion. But we got the oil-free moisturizer. Super happy. I received this before from the brand about a year or 2 years ago. So I really like that I got a refill of this one. It's a great like all over like daily moisturizer, so highly recommend. I'll even put a little bit on my hand. Oh, safety seals. I always forget about safety seals. Okay. If your product doesn't have that, contact support. So we put some on our hand. Okay. My hands were not too dry, but I love a good lotion, especially oil-free. And it doesn't have an offensive scent or anything, so sensitive girlies to the fragrance, you may want to give her a try. Though be careful, some of the products from OFRA Cosmetics can have some scents, but I find it's more of like a peppery, like spicy scent. It's not too bad though. I haven't found it react with my skin, and I have a few spots that do react to perfume. Next thing that came out of this box that I was super happy to see, we got another cream, like the lip and cheek or cheek and lip cream. Okay, this is Devoted. Devoted is kind of like a corally, peachy kind of color. I absolutely love it on redheads. I love it on people with auburn hair. If you want to have that more like warm, sun-kissed kind of like summery bronze kind of look, definitely the blush to couple with that. I already have one. I can pull out. Does this have, oh, it has some of the setting powder on it. I was like, what's all over this? But no, honestly, this is one of my favorites. I'll actually grab it so I can quickly show you guys what it looks like swatching without opening this one. So Devoted, this is what mine looks like. It's been used quite a few times, but it is the Devoted shade. I'm going to grab a little bit just to show you guys what it looks like. Grabbing on my ring finger. Just gonna put a little smear of it, okay? As you can see, it's a very scarlet, very orange kind of terracotta base, okay? Super pretty. I find it super pretty. I saw then, this is pretty exciting. I got the Everyday Nudes. This is volume 2, the mini lip set. It's got quite a few shades. We got Sao Paulo, yeah, Manila, Bal Harbor, and Canyon. I already have Manila, which is this like kind of like pinky pinky neutral one, but I'm excited to try the other ones. Super excited. Super. I love their lipsticks. They're liquid and they're solid forms. They've got some good lipsticks, man. But anyways, got a refill of the OFRA Cosmetics. This is the HD Black Mascara. I'll do the lip swatches. I might do it at a short on YouTube, just swatching it on my lips, but the mascara I use in pretty much every video up until this point. So like, if you haven't seen it already, just hit up one of my previous videos and you'll see me probably using the mascara or talking about the mascara. The next thing that we have here is from OFRA, the lip liner. This is the shade Chestnut. As you can see, it's kind of a dark brown shade. Well, that took longer than it should have, and I also fucking broke a fingernail. That was ridiculous. But anyways, we got Chestnut open, okay? And we'll just draw it underneath the mushroom. It's a very brown, but we will see. We will see how she looks on, because I'll be playing around with it with some of the nudes. And let's be honest, if you use like a neutral nude like lipstick, what's wrong with using a kind of brownie nude lip liner, you know? So the last product that I have inside of this box is the Pro Palette. Okay, this is the On the Glow Volume 2, which anyone who's known me for the past few years and has seen the products I've tagged in posts will know that I've had the On the Glow Pro Palette before. So having this, the sequel that has like blushes and bronzers, woo, look at her, look at her. Oh, I'm gonna have to do a palette review video for this one, so don't worry guys, this will be inside of a different video with some swatches. But yeah, in conclusion, I would honestly say that this is a great value for a box. You get a little bit of everything. With the Pro Palette, you can technically use the blush, the bronzer, the highlighters to do an eyeshadow look for yourself. Though I wouldn't recommend the blush because I'm not sure what they have inside of there for like colors. I do recommend using the palette. Like, it's versatile. It can be used all over your face. I am excited that they gave us a mascara. They gave us a lip liner, a prep, like a lotion, lipstick for the full effect, having the like setting powder, and also the cream blush. You technically have almost a full face, like sans the concealer and the foundation, and a brow product. But even so, if you wanted to fuck around with makeup and find out, you could use the Chestnut for your brows if you really wanted to, and you could also use the powders to set your brows in place. So all in all, I think this mystery box was worth its value. I'm super happy to see that the mystery was a bunch of products that I have not had before, products that I've been wanting to purchase, things I've been wanting to buy. Honestly, this tells me that OFRA Cosmetics is actually listening to the people that follow their brand and they value what their customers want. We were asked what kind of things we wanted inside of the OFRA Glow Squad group, which is a free open public group on Facebook. And some of the products were like lipsticks. Certain people were saying different kinds of lipsticks. Some people were saying the mascara. Some were saying like the lotions, the skincare products. And so seeing that they actually listened and put a little bit of everything inside of here and gave us the value for the price that we purchased it for, I would say that this is a great product. Anyways, that's enough of me rambling. And I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. And yeah, I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Stay tuned for a full face video. And yeah, I love you all. Bye.